Hey mate, so I just watched Alexi's video and just took a look at all of the conversion rates that we've had. So pretty much since we've been with Kajabi, I don't know if we've done more than just a news evolution campaign. I mean, looking for as far back as a $70 offer, I don't know when we actually introduced the Kajabi. It could have been later, but I'm just going to use the news evolution because I know that that was all once we were on Kajabi. So looking at the actual conversion rate of the checkout page here, so we had 26 sales out of 82 people checking out. So that's about a 30%. So your abandonment rate's 70% there. Um, Roughly, yeah, it's about 69%. So 69% abandonment rate on that checkout page from the last campaign we ran. Um, Obviously, yeah, I don't know what's Alexi see wrong here. I mean, I don't. It's not an amazing checkout page, but it works. It's okay. I think they're pretty limited with Kajabi with what you can do on the customization side of things on this actual page. Unless you actually get someone to build out a whole new framework for you and upload it, I won't be able to do that. It's too much work for us to do. But I mean, at the moment, the abandonment rate from the last campaign, which worked really well, was almost, or the conversion rate was about 32%. So pretty good. But yeah, that's don't know what Alexi wants on there, but yeah, I mean, moving forward, we can have a look and see. But I think having it all in Kajabi is the way to go. It's so much easier and more seamless. But yeah, let's have a go.